Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax Pompano Beach. Showing you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Boat just got unwrapped and they're prepping it. As you can see, this protective coating that's on the ground. They're working on the boat. It's a very nicely equipped and optioned out boat, including white 300 Verado V8s, joystick piloting, 16-inch Raymarine Axiom Pro, 7-inch vessel view, VHF radio, upgraded Premier stereo JL audio sound system, port side berth here. Got a couch that turns into a double bed. Opposing that on the starboard side is our vacuum flush toilet. Then we move forward. It's got the sun lounger. There's a filler cushion that goes in here to create a big sun pad. Comfortable double wide seat on the port side, single seat on the starboard side. Also have a shade that connects to the hardtop, as well as freshwater shower and an anchor windlass here in the front. I'm gonna go on the outside and show you this beautiful Abaco blue color that the boat has. Boat just came in. It's a 2020 twin 300s, underwater lights, joystick piloting. Look at that beautiful blue hull. It's available. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. This is a Boston Whaler 320 Vantage.